In this video, I am going to show you how you can recover your Brawl Stars account. You can also do this from the application, but I recommended that it be more from the browser we place Brawl Stars. We place Supercell support. Okay, watch the assistants. Okay, here we can see many options, and we are going to go a second option, support. Once you have loaded and cookies, we are going to select the default game, and we are going to go to where it say how to contact us. This is how to get to touch with us. Okay, and is troubleshooting, we are going to press where it says contact from here, and we are going to need to put a category. You must click here in these options. Press in, and you need put a category, problems with the game, or problems with the blocked game, or your connection of internet. The player that account name problem as specific, you are going to write a completely message with the email, and you should solve the problem since they will be able to contact you, and that will be all. Don't forget to share this video with your friends.